Before we start printing, we need to prepare the capsules. These are honestly great. Everything you need is right here. No mess and no hassle. Actually, they kind of remind me of coffee pots, don't you think? To start, select Prime this capsule and push the resin press 10 times to completely mix it. This will help you mix any material that has separated during storage and give us the best printing result. But remember, you only want to push it about halfway though. If you push it too far, you could create bubbles which will affect the printing. You also want to make sure that the build platform is all the way down. So this is in correct position. After that, just remove the safety film and place the capsule in the indicated slot. Remember, the restoration won't print if it's placed in a different slot. And that's it. Once you place the capsule, the printer will give you a quick countdown before automatically starting the print. But if you are impatient like me, you can just click on Start Now and jump right into it.